Last 15 seconds. 12 seconds. Good. By number 4. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 4. Number 4, jump shot. Good by number 4. 2 points. All 31. Number 23. Nagmamadali. Number 23. Still ni number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Anong gagawin ni number 4? Pinaasa kay number 24. Rebound by Mr. Reels. Nabitawan ni Mr. Reels. Last 30. Dribbling the ball. Takes the 3. 2 points only. Step in.
2 points lang.
2 points, 2 points. Number 4. Pass to number 1. Back to number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Who's foul, rep?
First team out.
Number 9. First personal foul. First team foul.
Dalawa lang.
No good. Ang unang pagbubuslo ni number 4. No good again. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7. Nagmamadali. Number 7, teardrops. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Lace it up. Good by number 4. Number 23 drives the ball. Fake. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 9. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 4 again. Jump shot. Good by number 4. Score 35-33 in favor of underdogs.
Oh. Ewan ko, 5 minutes yata eh.
2.
2 minutes lang.
Huli ka ni number 24. Pass to number 4. Number 4 nagmamadali. Number 4 drives the ball. What a move by number 4. Score. All pitch to number 24. Back to Edox. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 4. Number 4 jump shot. No good. Last 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Number 4. 4-3. Good. 4-3. Number 4. 7 seconds. Good ball by number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Stop and pop for 3. No good. Nakuha number 7. Wala. Number 14. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Jump shot. Good by number 4.